Hello everyone, my name is Dr. Priyanka Saukarnavde. So in lifestyle section we are going to talk about today the mics. Okay, we all make YouTube videos nowadays, do lots of presentation, and I know how difficult it is to find a perfect mic. So I'm not talking about other hi-fi systems of mic available. The basic thing I'm going to talk about is the one mic I'm using since years. It's almost been 4 years and I'm still using this mic. This is the Boya M1 mic. This is my first mic, and after that I didn't purchase anything extra. Okay, apart from this mic I have to purchase this adapter, because as we know, for iPhone we can't connect directly. The 3.5 mm port is not there, so I got this thing. This is the lightning jack for iPhone, where I can adapt this part to the charging port, and here I can connect the 3.5 mm of the mic. Okay, so today I'm just showing you how the mic is. So this mic is from Boya. Okay, and trust me guys, it's a very good product. So this is the case they have provided. It is also a good quality. Okay, basic parts if we consider about this mic, so roughly show you. This is the microphone. Okay, it got clip also, very easy to attach to the surface of your clothes or wherever you want to just attach it. It's very easy. Second thing, this is the part. Okay, this is the power pack where we actually keep the cells, okay, for the mic. And this part, the lower part, there are some settings for camera and smartphone. Okay, and the last part is this is the 3.5 mm port for the attaching it to the device. Suppose you have normal Android phone, you can connect it directly, or if you have iPhone, you have to purchase a lightning jack and then fix this part below here, and you can use it to any type of iPhone. Okay, so what I like about this particular product is the battery they have provided. It is very good quality. Second thing, the most important thing, the length of the wires and microphone is almost 6 meters, which gives us liberty to shoot video from longer distance and adjust accordingly. Third thing is a clarity. I find it very easy and very convenient, and sound quality is always good. So I'm currently using this product for almost 2 years, 3 years now, and from my side almost it's a 5-star. Thank you guys, bye bye. You can purchase this product if you are a beginner. Okay, and no matter what, if you like the product, no matter whether it's a beginning or 2 years or 3 years, we can still use the product, right? Bye bye, take care.